Alright, so this is just going to be a very quick video about this HP Compaq 6710B. Alright, so very quick, there's a few easy to remove parts. You got the battery here, just slide these two tabs away. Alright, so this has like this one here and this one here. So when you pull that and then you push this one in, it unlocks and comes out just like that. This battery is really old. I think this might be actually a replacement one, not the original. Here you can see the model, NC6100. Okay, that's how you remove it. Then you got this little cover here using a GIS 1 screwdriver. You can undo that screw, then get under here and pull that up. You can see there's a stick of RAM and a wireless card here. These are really old components. This is a PC2 6400 RAM, so DDR2 RAM. Pull these two tabs away from the stick of RAM, it pops up and then you can pull that out. This is what it looks like. This is a 4 gig stick of RAM. Okay, I'm pretty sure this was aftermarket memory, Patriot stick of RAM. Alright, we're gonna put this back, so just get the feet in first, slide it over. Okay, and then push the sides down to click it into place, and then put that screw back. Alright, we got the hard drive slot here. There's two screws right here. Undo those two screws. After that, you can get under here and lift that up. There's one more screw here holding this caddy in place. Undo that. Pops up. You can slide this over. And then there's 4 screws holding that in place. This is a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. It was upgraded to a 2.5-inch SATA SSD. We're gonna put it back, just slide it back that way, and then pull it over. Make sure it's not getting stuck on the connector there, that it does slide into place. All right, anyways, there you go. Get this in, and then get that back. All right, then we'll get these screws in. Again, this is just a very quick short video showing what it looks like inside here. You have this little cover here. What's this for? This, I guess, there's a little Bluetooth thing here. So I guess that's the Bluetooth chip, and it's right there. Okay, I'm not gonna mess around with that. You also have the optical disk drive as well. So it looks like there's one screw here holding it in place. So let me see if I can show you how to remove that. Okay, one screw. It looks like somebody was messing with this. It's all chewed up. I don't know if it will come out, but let's try. Okay, so we'll undo this one screw here. Looks like somebody put a wrong size screw here or something because it's really hard to get out. But there we go. Then you have this little hole there. Okay, and it actually shows you. You can use your screwdriver there and you can push that gray tab out. Once you've done that, you get this and it slides out just like that. You can actually replace this with a hard drive caddy so that you can put another hard drive in there. This is a, I think, 12.7 millimeter or 12 whatever millimeter tall one. Yeah, I think this is a wrong size screw that somebody just put in there, but I guess I'll put it back. Okay, I don't know, that screw just sits in there. Okay, anyways, I think that's pretty much all I'm going to show in here. Not really much else. Oh, if you want to remove the keyboard, I'm not going to do it, but there are these tabs. You can actually pull them down. So these tabs here, you can hear I click it, pull it down, and it clicks. And then you should actually be able to pull this out. You might have to actually remove the screws as well, but these tabs do click out. So I'm going to push those tabs back in. Okay, I'm not going to mess with it because there's an old laptop and it's working right now. So yeah, let's go ahead now and just put the battery back in, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Push that in, this thing kind of locks back. Make sure this is going away from the arrow direction so they slide that way. This actually also has a dock for a battery thing. I'm going to just cover that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, please like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices with so they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Let's drop this. Bye.